We have a $100 Volkswagen Golf with a 2.0. And we have probably a couple $1,000 worth of vape juice that somebody gave to us because it's not FDA approved and blah, blah, blah.
150 bottles of vape juice.
We got 150 bottles of vape juice going in this bitch. Boom and boom. We're going to see if it actually works because I'm actually interested because it's like kind of oily stuff. We're going to see if it works. It's going to be cool. And then we're going to do a burnout. Jesus. Wow, that is durable.
Yeah,
that's so much better than a Subaru.
Subarus, yeah, you kick them once and they're fucking... Oh, there we go.
There's a little bit.
Got a little. Ah!
You broke an axle. So here's the culprit. Axle has no bolts in it. So we're gonna bolt it back up and then fucking jump it. That was fun.
You're leaking something.
Not bad.
I don't know.
Should I be up here?
No,
Okay, I'll be up here then.
Wait, right here?
Yeah. What the fuck? Dude! You ruined my hat shell! Trust me, I'm an expert.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Oh, hey, Dante's car isn't started yet. We got some viewers. Yeah, go! Stop! 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 Jesus Christ. Almost offed his own car. The winner's definitely the GTI. The GTI definitely won.
No way.
Yeah, no, the GTI won for sure.
No way.
So much vape juice. So much vape juice.
11, 12, 13.
So I calculated we need 150 bottles of vape juice, which is a fuckload. But we have like thousands. Always use the right tool for the job.
Oh, I gotta do it.
Yeah.
All right.
Some agua to make sure she doesn't blow up, even though there's a hole in the radiator or something, said the previous owner.
Yeah, there's a hole somewhere. We don't know where.
We don't care where.
We're just gonna 150 bottles of vape juice, and
Oil's coming out.
we are about to fill it up with that.
Coconut vape fuel. Oh, it's fuel. Gosh. If it doesn't work, that's because we're using fuel instead of lubricant. We need vape lubricant.
Vape juice. Hey, what did you do for 2 hours? Pour vape juice in the oil pan?
Yeah, it's fine. I'll bring a trash can over here, and everybody just, gangbang in oil.
I have a better way to keep the
Okay.
cap off.
Oh,
Wait, you do what?
that's why he gets the big bucks. Rivers makes the big bucks because he took the cap off.
I can't even open this one.
I'll put water in there too.
No, don't do that.
Why not?
It's baby locked. I'm the baby. We got some assistance.
Yo, what flavors we got? What kind of nick we got going?
We got mango.
Oh, we got some mango? How much nick we got?
We got.
Oh, shit, that's 24.
That's 24 nick. We got some cherry tobacco for 0 nick.
Oh,
We got some Coke.
pussy shit.
Coconut.
Aloha Punch, some fucking 8.
Cafe mocha for 12.
Ooh,
All my hands are
this bitch is about to be nicked up. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna say it's because it's a Volkswagen and not a Subaru. If it doesn't work
Yeah.
here, it will work on a Subaru,
We should
trust
try
me.
this on his Evo. We're on there across the parking lot.
This is gonna be a great video.
I feel like the viscosity of this is pretty decent.
It actually probably isn't bad.
It's like a 10. It's like a 0W10. Like it's pretty thin, but it's not like water. It's
Oh, I'm like the
close.
salt guy, dude. Chill out.
Salt Bay.
Ooh.
That's mixed
Vape
colors.
Bay.
Alright, that one's trash.
Let's vote. What's
I
everyone's
think,
vote on how long it's gonna run?
I think,
I think it'll run until it blows due to the head, like no water.
I think at least fucking like 2 minutes.
yeah, I give it about 10
I think
minutes.
we give it like 10, 15 minutes.
I give it like as long as it wants.
Really?
Like I give it no time limit based on oil. Pretty much, I think coolant's gonna be our issue.
I don't know what else went in there. That's some oil. That's some.
Yeah, that's fine. We're almost there. It looks like motor oil, so it should work like motor oil.
That's a good.
Yes.
Right?
By that.
That's my motto.
Corey's getting a little reckless.
Oh, this one smells like shit.
Oh, that's the good
Oh,
stuff. Yeah,
whoa,
just
whoa,
put it
don't waste
everywhere
it.
then. Yeah,
This is good motor oil, buddy.
yeah. About to put this in my fucking race car.
Wait, did you use some of the trash?
Oil's been drained. There's all the empty vape juice bottles.
What is
$3,000
Yeah,
worth of
about-
vape juice at 150 bottles, $20 a bottle. Seems about right.
Quick mess.
Quick maths. And now we're gonna go drive. First start.
There we go.
I smell vape juice. That is disgusting. I smell vape juice. Okay. It sounds just as bad as it did before. Like it doesn't sound any worse than before. We're gonna go make sure she works. Or we're gonna blow it up. Try not to beat it up, but we'll just try to actually like, you can beat it up a little bit, but you know, don't fuck it. She yelled at me before. She was like, slow down.
I can't go very fast in this thing, old lady.
Yeah, this is a 2.0. It's making all kinds of weird sounds from the car, but not from the engine. The engine's solid.
Go to the floor, baby. Should we run the wall, baby?
Yeah. Let's run the wall. These people back here are probably like, what the fuck is this car doing? Does this work? No. Shit sucks.
Little does he know we have vape juice in our car. I don't want to get hit by somebody trying to go to fucking
Yeah.
Del Taco.
Especially because this is the entrance to Taco John's. Nobody really eats at Taco John's anyways, so like, nobody's gonna be turning in here.
I was a little busy.
Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Clear.
You gotta make sure I watch out for that wall too.
Yeah. Be careful with the wall. Oh, she's a trooper. Yeah, look at this. It's a bumper. That's what it's supposed to do. I tried to chain in a knot. That's what it's supposed to do. I guess do a burnout. Don't kill me. Oh. Put it in neutral, rev it a bit. I couldn't find a rev limiter.
It's vaping out the exhaust.
Wait, wait, wait. I can't tell if it smells vapey, and I don't just want to like hit the exhaust Somebody take a rip of the exhaust.
All right.
Omar, go.
Dante, step on the gas. That's not vape juice.
Okay, not vape. We're doing good. So as a review, vape juice is a viable alternative to oil.
It works.
Vape juice passed.
How much was that oil change though? $3,000.
It was only like a plus labor, it's like a $3,020 oil change.
I'm
It's cheaper than a Bugatti oil change, okay?
It is. You change your Bugatti oil with vape juice. That's why it's so expensive.
We're on to you, Bugatti.
Bogatti.
Bugatti.
Come on to you, Bogatti.
Final thing to do, you're gonna take the title.
No, it'll be on back running if you want it.
We're gonna leave this thing running.
It'll be right here.
It'll be, if you want it,
Sounds good.
if you want it, it'll still,
You want it?
it'll be here running, ready to go. If any homeless people want it, it's theirs.
Oh my God.
Driver door works great. 10 of 10 would recommend. It's been about an hour and it's still idling. I don't know what that is. I think it's power steering. It could be coolant. It could be vape juice. But it's still idling and it's not dead. Shit's wild. It's been another hour. It's still running. We'll be back in a little bit. We're going to grab some food. We were gone for like an hour and a half or so. And we came back and it's not running anymore. Now it won't start. So I think she's cooked. Or she's out of gas. Because the gas light's been on. So she's doing this. Oh no, she's just out of gas. Dude, she's fucking good. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you liked it because it was kind of cool. I'm surprised that fucking actually worked. Go to sidewaysfab.com and check out the giveaway that we're doing. You could win a dream car build, whatever you want us to build, we'll build it for you. And like, comment, subscribe, do all that shit on the video.